Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you a simple method of reinforcement for soft and thin nails. Soft and thin nails can easily crack, chip, or peel, making life difficult. In such cases, please try this method. Just by sprinkling something on your nails, you can dramatically transform them into stronger nails. I would like those who are troubled by thin nails to try this method, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started! If you are watching this video, you probably have thin nails. Thin nails that are so floppy and wiggly that they often move, easily break or chip, and are very inconvenient in daily life. In this article, I will show you how to reinforce these thin nails to make them stronger. Before we start reinforcing them, let's start with nail care, sanding, and oil removal. Also, please check out this video for a more detailed explanation of how to do nail care to make gel nails last longer. Now, first apply a base coat as you would normally do with gel nails. Apply it as if you were rubbing it into the scratches made by sanding. When you have finished applying the entire surface, cure it. Now, let's start reinforcing the nails. First, spread the base coat over the entire nail again. Do not apply the large amount of the base coat here, as it will affect the next step. After finishing the application without curing, let's prepare something to reinforce here. Here, it's acrylic powder. Acrylic powder is a nail product often used in nail salons for lengthening. It is much harder than gel, so if you want to lengthen your nails by several centimeters, you need to use this acrylic to make them stronger. Acrylics are originally a combination of acrylic powder and acrylic liquid, but the powder can also be sprinkled over gel. In fact, PolyGel is also a mixture of gel and acrylic powder. PolyGel is also stronger than gel because it contains acrylic powder. Also, acrylic powder comes in a variety of colors, but clear is recommended for reinforcement. Now, let's apply this acrylic powder on top of the base coat. There are two main ways to do this. You can either use like a spoon to sprinkle the powder on top of the nail, or you can just dip your finger in the powder. After applying the powder on the nail, tap your finger to remove excess powder. There is still powder around the fingers, but if you touch the top of the nail here, you will gouge the powder on the gel. So first, let's harden it as it is. After hardening under the light, brush off excess powder with a brush as hard as a toothbrush. Since the surface is rough at this point, apply another base coat over this to smooth the surface. The roughness of the powder makes it difficult to apply the base coat, so move the brush slowly to spread the gel between the powder particles. Cure the nail after applying the base coat smoothly so that the rough powder does not appear on the surface of the nail. If you want to apply color gel after this, apply it over this. In this case, I would like to finish by applying top coat. If the nail still feels soft before applying the top coat, apply the base coat again and sprinkle the powder. When you have finished applying the entire surface, cure it. Now it's complete. The nails were soft and thin at first, but after reinforcing them with acrylic powder, they became strong and hard without being squishy. When removing the nails, please be assured that they can be removed with the remover, just like regular gel nails. How was this method of reinforcing thin nails? If you sprinkle acrylic powder on your nails, you can make them stronger than if you use only gel, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.